welcome back to Water Hit Hockey Cards, and today we have part 2 of MVP Hockey Hobby Box. Check out part 1 if you didn't see that one, but we pulled a pretty good card. Not going to spoil it right now, but it was a good card. You should go watch it. Alright, so basically, with this hobby box, I'm looking for a rookie redemption, which is 1 in 400 for the regular redemption, 1 in 1,250 for the number 1 draft pick, and 1 in 12,500 for the number 1 draft pick, gold parallel. And you also have magenta autos, which are 1 in 400 packs as well. All right, don't want to waste any more time. Let's get into it. All right, let's get going. Okay, we have a rookies, Alex Berboulet. The before and after of William Karlsson. I believe I pulled this in the first box. And in Ice Battles of Tice Thompson, Tage's little brother. Okay, we have a checklist of Ovi, Alex Ovechkin. High Series, Austin Matthews. The Silver Script of Cale Makar. All right, let's go, Cale. And Ice Battles of Nazem Kadri. Silver Script, Miles Wood. Battles of William Karlsson. Very popular in this MVP set so far. And a rookies of Shane Pinto. Recently came back this season for the Senators after that 41-game suspension for gambling. And an MVP watch of Alex DeBrincat. If you watched the first video, you know why I'm checking the back of these. And in Ice Battles, Joe Pavelski. All right, let's go. Oh, and we got gritty, folks. We got him. Ice Battles of Vincent Trocheck. Now on the Rangers. Another before and after of Evander Kane. I believe I also pulled this in the first video. And in Ice Battles of Vini Velainen? Sure, okay. This is blue, by the way. Rookies of Cam York. The Silver Script of Teuvo Teravainen. And Ice Battles of Ryan Strome. Okay, High Series, Ryan O'Reilly. And Nordy for the Minnesota Wild. Another mascot I wouldn't have known the name to. And Jordan Eberle, now on the Seattle Kraken. And a heart attack of Alex Ovechkin. This is the gold parallel. I got 1 in part 1, but I didn't realize it at the time. But this is a parallel of the heart attack. Always cool to pull. And Alex Ovechkin, Ice Battles. And an MVP watch of Jordan Binnington. And in Ice Battles, John Gabriel Pajot. Okay, I think we're close to the halfway point here. Still looking for a good hit. And Patrice Bergeron. Okay. MVP watch. Not numbered. Bruins could really use Berge this year. They are struggling in the faceoff dot, among other things. In Ice Battles, Shea Theodore. MVP watch, Drew Doughty. This might be a... Oh, no. Okay, just gold. This might be a parallel. It's not numbered, but I'll have to check and I'll throw that up. Ice Battles, Tyson Barrie. Got high series of Leon Draisaitl. Before and after, Patrick Kane. The blue Ice Battles, Spencer Knight. And this is the regular version of the Heart Attack with Alex Ovechkin. And Kirill Kaprizov, Ice Battles, blue. Howler the Coyote. And Ice Battles, Nino Niederreiter. Rookies, Ross Colton. Finn the Whale. Ice Battles of Nick Schmaltz. Down to our last 4 packs here. High series of Steven Stamkos. And the Silva script, Braden Point. Ice Battles of Alexander Romanov, now in the Islanders. Rookies of Cole Caulfield. That's probably the best rookie we've pulled. An MVP watch of Keith Yandel. And an Ice Battles of Jacob Voracek. High series of Natty Mac, Nathan McKinnon. Louis for the St. Louis Blues. This is the parallel version, the sparkly background. And Ice Battles of Gabriel Landeskog. Okay, last pack. Let's see if we can get something good. Silver script of Alexis Lafreniere. And finishing off with an Ice Battles Torrey Krug. All right, guys, I want to say this was the hit of the box. A gold MVP watch of Drew Doughty. No number cards today, but another cool looking card. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How did I do? Okay, thanks for watching.